Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today I've got something exciting to share, something that's sure to elevate your blush and bronzer game. Let's talk about the KIKO Milano Multi-Finish Trio Blush and Bronzer Palette, which combines the best of both worlds. A bronzer and two blushes in both matte and metallic finishes. Whether you're a fan of a natural sun-kissed look or a soft flushed glow, this palette might just become your new favorite go-to. The KIKO Milano Multi-Finish Trio Blush and Bronzer Palette is a compact, rectangular beauty that features 3 shades, 1 bronzer and 2 blushes, designed to offer versatility with both matte and metallic finishes. The bronzer gives that warm, sculpted look, while the blushes are perfect for adding that flush of color to the cheeks. The shades in this palette are buildable, so whether you're aiming for a subtle touch or a bolder pop of color, you have total control. Now, let's talk about how this product performed in real-world use. First off, the texture of these powders is really impressive. They're finely milled and blend seamlessly into the skin, creating a smooth, airbrushed finish. The matte bronzer is perfect for contouring or warming up the complexion, and it doesn't look cakey or patchy. The blushes, one in a soft matte coral and the other with a radiant metallic finish, both applied effortlessly and provided a natural-looking flush that didn't look too heavy or artificial. On days when I wanted a bit more dimension, I layered the metallic blush over the matte one, and it added a stunning glow that looked so natural in the light. The metallic blush gave me that perfect dewy finish without feeling greasy or overly shiny, which is something I always look for in a highlighter or metallic blush. But let's get into some specifics. The bronzer isn't too orange, which is a common issue I find with some bronzers, and the blushes have a nice balance of pigment, just enough to build up, but not so much that it's hard to blend. I wore this palette during a full day of work and found that it lasted well, even after hours of wear. By the end of the day, my skin still had that warm glow, which is always a plus. As for the cons, I have to say, if you have deeper skin tones, the shades might not show up as vibrantly as on fair to medium skin. I'm on the lighter side of the spectrum, so it worked perfectly for me, but I can see how it may not pack as much punch for deeper complexions. Additionally, the compact is a little on the larger side, so it may not be the most travel-friendly option if you're looking for something more compact. Now, let's talk value. At first glance, this palette might seem a bit on the pricier side, but when you break it down, you're getting 3 products in one. The quality of the powders, how finely they're milled, their blendability, and the overall finish make it worth the price. Plus, since you're getting both matte and metallic finishes, it's essentially like getting a multi-use product that can be customized to your liking. In comparison to similar products on the market, I would say this palette stands out in terms of its smooth texture and the versatility of the shades. You could easily spend more on a single high-end bronzer or blush, but here you get a complete palette that delivers good results. It's a great choice if you want to simplify your routine without compromising on quality. The packaging is sleek and durable, which is great for a product like this. I've had it in my makeup bag for a few weeks now, and it hasn't cracked or shown any signs of wear, which is always reassuring. As for longevity, the product performed well over time. No major fading, and it kept my face looking fresh throughout the day. Now, if you're considering alternatives, there are definitely some options out there. If you're after something more affordable, the Milani Baked Blush and Bronzer combo can give you a similar effect at a lower price point. While it might not have the same range of finishes as the KIKO palette, it does deliver a nice glow and pigmentation, which could be a great option if you're on a budget. So what's the final verdict? The KIKO Milano Multi-Finish Trio Blush and Bronzer Palette is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a versatile, high-quality blush and bronzer palette that can work for both everyday wear and special occasions. Its buildable, natural finish makes it a good fit for those who prefer a soft, glowing look. However, if you have a deeper complexion, you may want to explore other options with a wider range of shades. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today. If you've used the KIKO Milano Multi-Finish Trio Blush and Bronzer Palette, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Have you found it to be your perfect match? Or would you suggest something else? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.